Okay, so today Apple is releasing the first iOS 16 developer betas, and along with that, we'll likely be seeing iPadOS 16, watchOS 9, tvOS 16, and maybe a few more software releases as well. So if you want to get the latest iOS 16 developer beta or any other betas right now, make sure to head down to the link in the video description down below. And what I suggest doing is just leaving this video open while those profiles download, because there are some pretty common questions people have every single year we make these videos, and also some critical advice when it comes to this year's beta. Now, really quickly, developer channel level members, check the community page and you'll have early and permanent access to those developer beta profiles. Okay, so the number one question I always get is, will this brick or possibly ruin my iDevice? So a brick device is essentially a device that will not turn on or work any longer, and it's actually less common these days with betas, but I just never say never with this specific topic. Now, I'm seriously not trying to scare you guys, but what you could do to just set your mind at ease with this potential problem is I would consider backing up your data using iCloud backup or whatever backup software you use for your iDevice, and just make sure all of your data is secure. That way, should you have any freak accident with iOS 16 or anything like that, all of your data is secured. You can quickly go get a new device and you are on your way with all of that data that was on that device. Now, the second question I get a lot is, how do you download the beta profiles to get onto your iPhone? Well, this year we've actually made it super easy, so just head over to the link in the video description below and we'll show you on the phone how you can go ahead and get that process started. So once you head over to that link down below, all of the beta profiles will be in the order of the description listed. So iOS is first, and we'll go ahead and show you guys how to download the iOS profile. From there, you just tap on that profile, press the allow option, and then head over to the settings app where the profile is downloaded. Now, just complete the installation process from that installation profile menu, and shortly after, you'll get an update for the latest iOS developer beta. That would be iOS 16, and you can do that by going into the settings app, then to general, and then the software update menu. Now, the third and final question is device compatibility. If you have a newer device, you don't really have to worry, but if you have a significantly older device, you might be asking, is my device compatible with the iOS 16 betas? Well, check the video description down below for device compatibility. There's a list down there to see if your device will work with iOS 16 or not. Quite simply put, if your device is not listed, it's not compatible, and unfortunately, there's just no way around that. That's Apple's rules, so there's nothing I can do. So yeah, just check that out in the video description down below. Okay, so I tried to keep this video short and sweet, and that's how you can get the iOS 16 developer beta installed onto your iDevices. And of course, if you have any questions, please comment those down in the video description below, and make sure to get subscribed and stay tuned for some upcoming iOS 16 content showing you guys what's new in iOS 16. Catch you guys in the next one.